The 2025 AI Flying Orb Ball toys from the Ulatus store represent an innovative leap in interactive drone toys, blending advanced technology with engaging play for children and adults. This Flying Orb Ball is equipped with a smart AI chip and a gyroscope, enabling it to perform 4 distinct flight modes: hovering, straight flying, turning, and returning like a boomerang. These modes activate based on different throwing angles and speeds, offering a dynamic and responsive flying experience that captivates users and encourages skill development. The toy is designed to be both fun and educational, enhancing hands-on skills, operational abilities, intelligence, and creativity in children. This makes it more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning through play. Constructed from premium ABS material, the orb is lightweight and soft, making it safe and portable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its spherical protective shell is impact-resistant, ensuring durability even when it bumps into furniture or other obstacles. This safety feature is crucial for worry-free play, especially in households with younger children. The orb automatically stops when it collides with objects, which adds to its user-friendly design. Parents and users have praised its quiet operation and robust build, noting that it withstands falls and rough handling without damage. This durability has been highlighted in multiple reviews where the orb survived falls from trees and rough play without any issues. One of the standout features of this flying orb is its built-in LED lights that shine in red, blue, and green. The vibrant lighting effects make the toy visually appealing and fun to use even in daylight, but especially enjoyable in darker environments. This adds an extra layer of excitement and makes it ideal for indoor parties or evening outdoor gatherings. The orb's smooth play and bright colors have been repeatedly mentioned by users who found it engaging for all ages, from young children to adults. Charging the orb is convenient thanks to its USB rechargeable battery. A full charge takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes, providing about 8 to 10 minutes of playtime. While the battery life may seem brief, it is offset by the ease of recharging through various USB sources such as computers, power adapters, mobile phones, or portable chargers. The charging indicator light provides clear feedback when the orb is charging and when it is fully charged, simplifying the process. Users have noted that despite the relatively short playtime, the orb's quick recharge cycle allows for frequent use without long waits. The Flying Orb is marketed as a perfect gift for children aged 6 and above, but it has also found popularity among adults as a stress-relieving gadget. It is suitable for birthdays, Christmas, and other occasions, making it a versatile gift option. Many users have shared positive experiences of family members playing together, highlighting the orb's ability to bring people together and create joyful moments. The toy's appeal across different age groups is a testament to its well-rounded design and entertainment value. From a performance standpoint, the orb is praised for its ease of use and smart flight capabilities. Even younger children, with some practice, can master the technique of throwing and catching it. The flexible cage design tolerates accidental impacts, which is essential for active play. However, some users have expressed challenges with coordination, especially in executing the boomerang flight mode or catching the orb gently. This suggests that while the orb is accessible, it may require some patience and practice to fully enjoy all its features. Critically, there have been some concerns regarding marketing claims. One reviewer pointed out that the product images suggest the orb uses a brushless motor, but the actual product does not. This discrepancy has caused some dissatisfaction among buyers who paid a premium expecting this feature. Transparency in advertising is important, and potential buyers should be aware of this to set realistic expectations. Overall, the 2025 AI Flying Orb Ball toys deliver a compelling mix of technology, safety, and fun. Its smart AI chip and gyroscope provide impressive flight modes that keep users engaged. The durable and safe design makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, while the LED lights add visual excitement. USB charging adds convenience, and despite a moderate battery life, the orb's quick recharge time supports extended play sessions. It is a great gift choice for children and adults alike, fostering creativity, coordination, and family interaction. While some users may find mastering certain flight techniques challenging, and there are minor concerns about marketing accuracy, the general consensus is overwhelmingly positive. This flying orb stands out as a must-have gadget for 2025, combining entertainment with educational value in a safe, durable, and visually appealing package. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.